Earning equity in your home happens as the value of your home grows in relationship to what you still owe on your mortgage. One way to increase your home value, and in turn, your equity, is through home improvement projects. While some of these may be more costly and might benefit from utilizing a home equity loan or line of credit, others are very affordable and consist of tasks you can probably do on your own. For instance, minor bathroom updates. While a major bathroom remodel may not be in your budget, making some small updates can go a long way in adding value to your home, like putting a fresh coat of paint on, re-caulking a tub or shower, replacing tile, or even something as simple as adding a deluxe shower head or new light fixture. These can all update the look of an outdated bathroom and add value to your home. Kitchens are another place where some small changes can make a big difference. For instance, new cabinets, countertops, and energy-efficient cooktops are far less expensive than doing a total kitchen remodel and still add solid value. And having a kitchen you enjoy spending time in may even save you money by inspiring you to make more meals at home rather than eating out. Landscaping is another value add that both builds equity and makes your home more enjoyable to live in. Not only does it add cosmetic curb appeal, but can even improve energy efficiency within your home, a valuable selling point for prospective buyers. Another upgrade that can be a real game changer is replacing your windows. New windows are easy to clean, often reduce your energy consumption, and look great. Plus, high energy efficiency windows could lower your annual energy bill significantly, which is a great benefit for you or for potential buyers down the road, especially in an older home. If you realize the projects you'd like to embark on will take more money than you've got on hand, be sure to talk to a Robbins financial advisor about a home equity loan or line of credit. It may just be the key to making your home improvement dreams come true. For more information, call, click, or visit any of our branch locations.